Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Campaign Manager for AI lead automation. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the LinkedIn Campaign Manager URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the page. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the LinkedIn login screen. Enter your email address linked to your LinkedIn account. Click on the Continue button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If prompted, complete any additional security checks. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaign Manager tab. You can find this in the drop-down menu under the Work icon. Click on Campaign Manager to open the tool. Here, you'll see an overview of your ad accounts. Select the ad account you wish to manage. If you do not have an ad account, you can create one from this page. To create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions. Once in the Campaign Manager, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This will help you in navigating campaigns, audiences, and ads effectively. If you're looking to set up AI lead automation, locate the Automated Ads section. In this section, you can create new campaigns designed for automation. Follow the prompts to select your objectives and target audience. Make sure to set your budget and schedule according to your goals. After configuring your settings, review your choices carefully. Once satisfied, click on the Launch button to activate your campaign. Your campaign will now be set up for AI lead automation. Monitor its performance through the Campaign Manager dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.